My aha moment came during a case study on carbon in Miss Logan's 10th grade honors chemistry class. In diamond, each carbon atom forms four sp3 hybridized bonds, resulting in a transparent material with poor electrical conductivity. In contrast, the carbon atoms in graphite form three sp2 hybridized bonds, leaving to localized electrons that make it an excellent conductor. The same element produces two vastly different materials because of the way its atoms are arranged and bonded. That realization left me awestruck. Chemistry's ability to explain and design the materials that shape our world is powerful and filled me with purpose. When it came time to choose a college major, I happily ticked the box next to chemical engineering. My undergraduate years were about exploring the possibilities within chemical engineering and searching for a career that would allow me to delve into the fundamental principles of material behavior. Inspired by a presentation on computational chemistry from my thermodynamics professor, Dr. Alyssa Hensley, I reached out about joining her lab. My first semester in the Hensley Catalysis lab was both challenging and rewarding. With little coding experience and no background in quantum mechanics, I faced a steep learning curve. I quickly found my project fascinating, but it wasn't until I started sharing my work with others that I truly fell in love with research. Great presentation, let's connect, read the subject line of the email that cemented my interest in academia. It was a Saturday afternoon in April 2023, and I had just given a talk on computationally designing nickel-based bimetallic catalysts at the AICHE Mid-Atlantic Regional Conference. The email came from an undergraduate researcher at Virginia Tech, Connor, who worked in a wet lab. We connected over coffee the next morning, comparing our experiences in computational versus experimental labs, swapping cool catalysis papers, and asking each other questions about our research. As I was drinking my cappuccino and chatting with Connor, my heart swelled with pride and gratitude. I felt an overwhelming sense of fulfillment. Not only had I reached someone with my work, but I had also inspired curiosity and fostered a conversation where we both walked away learning something new. That moment solidified my place in academia, not just as a researcher, but as someone who could inspire and collaborate, exchanging ideas and growing alongside others in the field.